We were out of town when they did it, so it was a wonderful surprise to come home to the same house, but way better. So. Well, we've lived here for almost 25 years. We had never replaced the roof. We'd had it cleaned maybe one time in that time. Daryl actually had checked it a few times and, kept an eye on it periodically. And we just felt like it had a lot of staining on it, and we were concerned that it might be deteriorating, and had him come check it. And he said, well, you might be able to get another couple of years out of it, but you're gonna have to replace it soon. We can just clean it if you want, but we decided to go ahead and do it. And it was very good that we did that, because it turned out when they got up there and started tearing everything up, there was actually some rot underneath the shingles, and they had to replace some of the wood underneath there as well. So just the whole project was done so quickly and so efficiently, and the fact that we came back and there was no sign that anything had happened except that we had a new roof was really great. Everything was exactly in place the way it was when we left. We would certainly use Daryl in the future again for a project, certainly this big and also small ones. Sometimes you don't need a roof guy, sometimes you don't need a repair guy, sometimes you just need a honeydew guy.
Like what you've seen? Click to subscribe now.